If you keep ignoring your skin barrier, guys, welcome back to my channel. If you keep ignoring your skin barrier, your makeup will never going to look good. I was keep damaging my skin barrier without realizing till I saw one video, one damaging lip barrier, and also with the solution. Solution is skin. Skincare is the foundation of makeup. First, you need to use any oil-free cleanser. Second, any toner. Toner for the base layer of the hydration. Third is moisturizer, lightweight. Fourth, this work as a primer as well, and very hydrated one. Wait for 5 or 10 minutes. When it comes to makeup, use the product that's contain hyaluronic acid, foundation with the hyaluronic acid, concealer with the hydration or vitamin E, something like that. It will help your skin. Use a multi-tint that you can use for the cheeks and also for the lips. And sometimes we have so many brands like Mamaearth, which contains serum in the product. Also for the daily use, don't apply so many products. I am applying always concealer, blush, little bit blush, and lip balm with the liner. For the lips, because lips is very sensitive and easy to remove the barriers. So for the lips, use always hydrating lip balm. Any lip mask over the night also, it helps to hydrate your lips whole day. So same thing I used for the lips and also for the cheeks. No more important thing, your eyebrow is defining your face, so always try to maintain your eyebrow shape. Or if you're not doing regularly cleaning your hair, just feel and send this to someone who wants to know about these things. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.